How to fix there are no startup items to display error in Task Manager. 1. Restart the Windows Explorer. 2. Perform an antivirus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 3. Check if the startup folder at /users \% username %, appdata /roaming Microsoft /Windows /start menu /programs is missing. 4. Manually re-add or recreate programs to the startup folder. 5. Run SFC and DISM scans as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 6. Perform a system restore.